Alright, today we're going to look at figuring sales tax. This is the same thing that we've done when we did our roller coaster math with our stock market and doing discounts or increases or decreases. For instance, if I had a bill at the store, I went to purchase a shirt. It was $25. Now you know that we have what's called sales tax. Alright. So let's say, for instance, that I'm in a state that charges 4% sales tax. Now I know I can't multiply by a percent sign. I need to translate that into decimal. 4% into a decimal is 0.04. We take this decimal and move it over 2 times to the left, put it here. Now I have this empty space here. I need to add that 0 to get my 0.04. So anytime I'm trying to get a percent of something, I'm going to multiply. So I'm multiplying 0.04 times 25. So here I go, 0 times 4, 0 times 4 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Alright. Now I know these are all zeros here, so I'm not going to bother doing this one. But what I do have to look at is how many decimal places do I have to the left? I have 1, 2 decimal places to the left here and 1, 2 decimal places to the left here. That gives me a total of 4 spaces to the left. That means I need to look at my imaginary decimal point here and move this one over 4 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So that means that my 4% tax is 1.00, endless zeros, but we know in money all we need is 2 place values. So $1. Now to figure out, that's my tax, sales tax amount at 4%. But what do I need to do with this amount? I need to add that. I need to add it to the total purchase price. So my purchase price was $25. I'm going to now add my tax of $1. Now we add. Now remember, with addition we just bring down. We line up the decimals and we bring it down. So here's my decimal. My final total is $26. That means when I go to pay, I need to pay for the purchase price plus the sales tax, which is a total of $26. Alright, let's do another example. If I had, let's say I bought something that was $10, a bag of grapes. I love grapes. I'm going to buy a large bag. So I came up to my bag of grapes came to $10.36. So that's what we call a subtotal. Why is it a subtotal? Because I'm going to add more to it before I get my final total. What do I need to add? I'm going to add sales tax. Alright, so let's add a sales tax of, let's see, 8%. So how do I make 8% into a decimal? Remember, move the decimal place over 2 times, like this, so it's 0.08. I multiply my purchase price, my subtotal, by 0.08. So 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. 0 is 2, and then 8. I need to move my decimal place over 2 times here, 1, 2, 2 times here, 1, 2. That's a total of 4 spaces that it's moved. Take my imaginary decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. That means my sales price is 0.8288. Well, we don't go 4 decimal places to the right, we just go 2. So I need to now look at this. I need to think about rounding. I just need 2 decimal places, so I look at the 3rd decimal place. Is this above 5? Yes, it is. 5 or above, that means I need to go back to the left and increase it by 1, which I'm going to do. So now my tax is 83 cents. I'm going to add the 83 cents to my $10.36 purchase price. So $10.36 plus 83 cents, 9, 11, carry the 1. I'm going to pay $11.19 total.